can expect an essay topic and a small paragraph from this area about which we will discuss later. The last class I gave you an introduction on this drama by Baza. How did he write this and what is the significance that he has taken on tragic heroes in the epic model of writings, and how far he deviated from the decorum of tragical heroes. Now we go to the special introduction to Karna Bharam. I told you this Bharam is role really meant for responsibility of our Karna, and it is a war between Kauravas and Pandavas. Kaurava now led by Karnan, recommended by Duryodhanan. Now why he became the leader all of a sudden? Because of the former leader Dronacharya now disappeared. So he had a responsibility to become the leader of the army, and which tries to go against Arjuna, the leader of Pandavas. It was the main course between. That is why I have given two factions. Yudhishthira followed by Arjuna, Duryodhana followed by Karna, and Karna now tries to go and attack Arjuna because Duryodhana wanted Karnan, the leader of Kauravas, to attack and kill Arjuna first, because Arjuna is a special warrior from the side of Pandavas. It is reported in Mahabharata. He has a lot of tactics. He has a lot of techniques and tactics to fight enemies. Besides what, he had a masculine body in the sense that वो तो हष्ट पुष्ट आदमी थे. It is written हष्ट पुष्ट आदमी fireman. He is just like all right, the what you call Maltova man, drinking Maltova Horlicks like. So Arjunan is on the one hand, he is deadly sure that he will kill our. Karna is deadly sure he will kill Arjuna later, but now haunted by so many problems. That is why he reports. Karnan reports Duryodhan, okay, my lord, I am ready. Suppose you give me this Salya. Salya, he is a specialist in chariot driving. He is a special tech. He has a competence to drive the chariot. Means where on which Karnan can lead the army. So annoyingly, Karna demanding Duryodhana, don't worry, I can fulfill your desire. I can fulfill your wish, provided you should give me Salya as my driver of the chariot. We will go and within a short notice, we will kill Arjuna and come back. Duryodhana tells, permission granted. You can take Salya. But Salya telling, need to go, my lord, need to go with him. Yeah, it is your duty and my order that you go along with Karna and fight against Arjuna, the leader of Pandavas. Karnan is Paka sure that if Salya is a chariot driver, he would easily kill Arjuna. And by the blessing of Duryodhana, they go to fight against Arjuna and the people of Pandavas, army of Pandavas. This is the exposition stage, beginning of the play, that the whole setting for the war or battlefield between Karna or was totally arranged. Now what is to happen? Why Karnan becomes a lot of Baram? He has a lot of Barams. Karna Baram. Karnan has a lot of Barams. You know, within 2 years back, a couple of years back, I think you are Mohanlal has done this Karna Baram as an epic story in what type of called Kudiyattam, something like that. So it is there in the YouTube that you can check and study how Mohanlal, the great artist or actor, makes Karnan which has a Baram. Alright, in a physical sense, Baram has a different meaning, but in the mental, in the psychological sense, our Karnan is suffering from lot of Barams, lot of sorrows. That is why I referred Hamlet says, when the sorrow comes, they do not come like single spies. They come like battalions, one by one, one by one. Here our Karnan has a lot of sorrows, lot of problems, and these lot of problems, in a generalized way, segmented into 3 pieces, and that 3 pieces are the totality of this one act play or this drama, what is called Karna Baram. The first responsibility or Baram on his head, not only physical Baram, physical weight, but mental weight. The first thing that he is selected to be the leader of the army. It is not a simple matter. An army leader, the captain of the army, cannot easily sit on the chair. He should be very, very vigilant. He should be very, very active. Without his action, nobody from the army would act. So it is not a simple responsibility. So becoming the leader of Kauravas is a sole responsibility and Baram on the head of Karna first. He had a lot of charity and prodigality he shows. After death of Dronar, our Karnan became the leader and destined. Total charge is given by Duryodhanan. Total charge. You go and kill Arjuna and come back. It is declined by Duryodhanan. So what is, as I already told, Karnan wanted, Lord, I will go and kill Arjuna and come back. It will be a victorious or it will be a grand success for Kauravas. I am bound to give you that much happiness. But my Lord, our Salvia should be my chariot driver. Then Salvia wondered why this man asking me, what is Salvia to lead? He promises pleasure to Kauravas. Then Karnan told, if Salvia is with me, if Salvia is with me, I can easily go and cut, slain the head of Arjuna and come back. You know, Arjuna is seemed to be the son of Indran. So Indran will do some playful games later. And also our Pandava king Arjuna is supported by Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna is also very cunning. So Sri Krishna, who is supporting Arjuna, would also play so for here hiding place and the games which Karna is also afraid of. Meaning, that is in another way we say, to kill or to defeat Arjuna is not easy. And Karna knows, but Karna says, I will do, I can, because Sylvia is my chariot driver. I can easily go and kill and come back. Now he comes to know Pandava, the second responsibility. Then in the middle of the drama now, Salvia finds something, shadows of sorrows on the face of Karna. and wants to realize what is Karna. It is reported earlier Karna thought Karna was the son of Radha, but later he came to know he is not the son of Radha but the son of Kundi. Alright, who are these people, Kundi and Radha? You may be familiar. Then Kundi reporting after Duryodhana's execution of power, Karna with Salvi are ready to go and fight against Arjuna. Then Kundi calls Karnan and tells Karna, my dear son, those Pandava people, those leading people of Pandavas are my sons, don't kill them. So it has a revolt against his ideas. Why? Later he understood this. Kundi, who demanded Karna to spare his children from the side of Pandava, he is not only a lady but also his own mother. So this has become second bolt on his head. What was his first responsibility? To become the leader. Second responsibility, Kundi, his own mother, demanded him to spare the princes of Pandavas because they are children of Kundi. Kundi says. Kundi wanted Karnan not to kill her sons. So it has become also a baram on the head of our Karnan. Karnan is deciding what is to say. This is called the development of plot in Karnaparam. Slowly. Now Karnan with Salvia's support ready to go against Arjunan. During this time Kundi as a segmental character appears telling, my dear Karnan, my dear son, don't kill my sons from the side of Pandavas. This is a mother's, this is my request, like Karnan one day. So these two important factors which made him so unhappy. This time a man or leader of such a huge army should not be unhappy. So, and besides, another segment appeared. What was the another segment? That is somewhat very much interesting. That is the curse of Parashuraman. That is called the second episode. What is called Parashuraman? Another segment. This is Kundi segment. Kundi segment, what demanded Karnan? Spare my children, never kill. So this has become a sorrowful thought in the mind of Karnan. Again, Parashuraman incident coming. What is Parashuraman demanding? What does it mean? All these problems, shadows of problems related to his mind, which made him very bad enough to face the enemies. Now Salvia looking, what my lord, what haunts you? Are you not happy today? Are you not active today? What made you so many problems? Then in a reluctance, in a way of inhibition, Karna reveals Salvia what is to say. But Salvia in Mahabharata is a different character. Sometimes in Mahabharata reported by critics, Salvia criticizes Karnan and even scolds Karnan. But here in this drama Karnavaram, by Basan, we find Salvia is a man of kindness and also man of support to Karnan and demand Karnan or advises Karnan, advocates Karnan. Need not to worry, sab kuch chale jayega. Everything will be okay. Don't worry, my lord. Don't worry, my lord. He takes the role of an advisor. That is also a technique by Basan. So he has made a lot of changes from the side of the epic writing. This tragical hero, our Karnan, though he has a lot of problems, Hamlet had so many problems. Only Ophelia was there to comfort him. In senior Hamlet's revenge is going to take, and almost Prince Hamlet becomes mad. But nobody was there to support. Why? Once he sees his mother is going in different route to Claudius. And probably he came to know that it was his mother's attempt that Claudius killed Senior Hamlet. So Hamlet also was in a lunatic situation. It is to be found that nobody was there to help him. Like that, this Karnan, who had a lot of bottoms on the head, with a lot of problems of demanding execution of killing Arjuna on the one side, Kundi's demand that to spare my children, and besides another tumult, revolt, like a very big bondage now put by Parashuraman on the head of Karnan, and that also has made him almost lunatic, almost like a madman, because he cannot take a correct decision. What Parashuraman did ask him, that is another important segment of the story. Vas tries to reveal that Parashuraman, he has all types of techniques and teaching competence of the warriors. And what happens, that is second episode of Parashuraman. So first one, responsibility of the huge army. Second one, minding the words of Mother Kundi. And third one, the curse given by Parashuraman. Why Parashuraman cursed Karnan? What was the reason behind it? Why Parashuraman did so? And why this curse has become a high bharam on the head of Karnan? That we will see in the next class, and we will find what is to be the real reason behind Karnan's bharam and responsibility. Till that moment, goodbye.